Let's learn how you can disable HDR mode on Instagram. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want. So before we start, like HDR is if you sometimes scroll reels or video and you see that some videos are a lot brighter like than your phone brightness, that is the HDR. So let's learn how we can disable it. First, let's us open Instagram application, go to your profile page on bottom right corner and click on these three horizontal lines in top right corner. This will open us settings and activity page. We will have to scroll down until we find media quality option in your app and media section. Click media quality and here we will see this disable display of HDR media. HDR media offers better quality in area of extreme brightness or darkness. So if you want to disable it, just click on this button and it will turn white or green, depends. And that's it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.